Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, as you can see inside this particular video, we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index. So guys, if you need this particular indicator, kindly DM me and I'm going to give you access to this indicator. This is one of the perfect indicator that you need in your setup indicator. And also let me add the second. As you can see, this is the first indicator on our chart, so let me add the second indicator to it. So as you can see, I've added the second indicator to it. So this is boom 150 on 5-minute time frames. I want to show you guys what has happened so far since yesterday. I've made a video on this particular index, and I want to let you see. So we are going to analyze what has happened since yesterday, which happens to be today's bridge, starting from this particular red line that I mark at this particular area. So what has happened so far? So we are going to analyze what has happened. As we can see that we have a trend that is coming on the 4th of this month, which happens to be our uptrend at this moment, and it go massively on a uptrend until our day 5 of this month. You can see that it ended at this particular time yesterday, and yesterday we take this particular trend of the market for a downtrend massively from yesterday. We can see that since yesterday that I've made this particular video, I told you guys that this particular trend is going to go on a down massive trend, and what you can see now is that the trend keep on moving on a downtrend up to this particular moment. And also at early today of the time, we can see that we are also having another uptrend, which this our indicator appear at this particular area. So immediately it appear at this particular area, we can jump into the market and we can see what the market is doing. The market is going on a massive uptrend. So as I told you guys that our take profit level, we might use this light red 9 as our take profit level anytime it reach our support level here. Anytime, like what you see now at this particular area, you can see that it reached this particular area at this particular time. This will be our take profit level 1, and we can still be waiting for our confirmation again if this particular trend still go on a uptrend for our take profit 2. You can see how massive this is on our boom 150. So this indicator works on all boom and crash index. It works on all boom and crash index, and also you can see that it has been so massive since I've been making video on this particular indicator. So let's check what is happened also on our boom 1000 5-minute time frames. You can see it has been perfect and accurate also on our boom 1000 5-minute time frames. You can see yesterday when we make a video on this particular trend is around this area, starting from yesterday, which is on 5 of this month. And we can see that we have our market to be on the uptrend, and we have another downtrend signal at this particular area, which the markets go down on a massive downtrend up to this particular moment. And we are having another uptrend since that yesterday, and it's reached at this particular area, which happens to be that our red 9 here has reached our support level, which happens to be our take profit level here. And also we have another indicator that appear as early hours of today at around 2 a.m., which showed to us that we have a downtrend. The downtrend is very accurate, and you can see that it go on a downtrend until we have this our green line reaching our resistance level at this particular area. So at also this particular time now, we can see that our market is giving us another perfect accurate entry at this particular area, which show to us that we are having a uptrend. We are having a uptrend, but we can see what the market is doing now. Let's keep on watching the market if that particular trend is going to be aligned with it or not. So that is how this particular indicator works, and also I will be making more video on it, on how to use it more, so that you guys can see. This is boom this is boom 500 on 5 minute time frames, on 5 minute time frames. So let me show you guys the latest update on it. As you can see, this is the latest update on it. We have a last signal on it, which is going to be our uptrend. So all what you just need to do is very simple. Just enter every trend that you see on this particular chart, and you are going to be making a massive profit for it. Like what you see now, you can see that this is a uptrend market, and don't forget this is 5 minute time frames. It's going to be a massive profit for you guys. So it has been an uptrend. You can see it's go on a massive uptrend, and we have another downtrend at this particular area, which show to us that we have a downtrend, and also another one here which show to us that we have a uptrend level here, and that we have our support level reaching our line here. So that will be our take profit level, and the same thing happen here. And also we can see another massive downtrend at this particular area, which go on the massive downtrend, guys, which go on the massive downtrend. So this is very perfect and very accurate for you guys to get. So to get this indicator, all what you need to do is to message me, and I'm going to reply to you, or you reach me on my Telegram group and join my group, and you're going to get access to me. So this indicator is not for free, but it is only for serious people minded. It is only people who are ready to skyrocket their capital every day. So thanks guys, see you guys in our next video.